Blue. Plastic cooler. You know the one. The lid is cracked and there's a State Champ sticker half peeled off the side from 2012. I opened it and for a second, I swear, I could smell it. That mix of melted ice, cheap soda, and the way the air smells right before a thunderstorm rolls over the plains. Suddenly, I wasn't standing in a dusty garage in the suburbs. I was 19 again, sitting on the tailgate of your dad's old Ford, parked in the middle of a cornfield because we were convinced that was the best place to see the meteor shower. We didn't have much, just a couple of lukewarm waters, a bag of salty pretzels, and that one playlist, the one we played until the bass practically blew out the speakers. We talked about everything, leaving this town, making it big, never becoming like our parents. It's funny, isn't it? How we spent every single night wishing for the future, only to get here and realize the future is just quiet. I ran my thumb over that sticker and I realized I haven't talked to you in 5 years, maybe 6. Life just happened. Jobs, moves, new people, and somewhere along the line, thus from that cornfield, just faded out. I didn't throw the cooler away. I couldn't. I just tucked it back behind the winter tires where the memories can stay cool. The garage door groaned as I shut it and the street lights were just starting to hum. It's a Tuesday. It's ordinary. But man, God, for a split second, we were everything.